Hey there, Emily here. I'm excited to let you know that we have launched our RICA Prep 101 online course for teachers that are looking for more help to pass the RICA exam. This is what I wanted to show you. If you go to ricaprep101.com, you're going to see our new website. And if you end up at my Teachable site, that site no longer will be housing any of this information. So just take the Teachable out. It's ricaprep101.com. And this is our landing page here. And you can see that if you're interested in seeing basically what I'm going to show you right now, you can click the preview a course and it's going to take you to a quick little video. But if you scroll down, you're going to see some of the things that the course offers. And here's that preview video that you will see. Keep going. And we've got a little bit of information here about what our whole purpose is. A little bit about me. If you want to contact me, just go ahead and click this and it's going to take you to a contact page and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Little testimonial from someone from my previous course and then again another sign up page. So if you go to signing up, any of these buttons here are hot and will take you over to a sign up page where you can actually purchase the course. We are running a quarantine special at $97 for the online course. And let's see if I can take you there and show you what that looks like. Okay, so we're going to go here. So here is our special. This is our checkout page, and you can see a little bit more information about what we will offer. You can actually sign up here, and after you do this, it's going to go ahead and prompt you to create a username and password. And I'm going to go back to the original site for just a moment. And once you purchase that, you will, in your library up here, have access to the course. So let me show you what the course actually looks like. When you log into the course, here's what you're going to see. This will be your page, and this will house all of the content for the online course. You can see here that we have some introductions. There's some video, some text or video slide deck voiceover combinations. There will also be then the bulk of the content for the studying for the exam is going to be found under the fundamentals. And what you'll see here is basically an introduction to the structure of the test. I want to make sure that you know what you're in for. And then a video about the nitty-gritty of reading development. Now, if you are a liberal studies major or an elementary teacher in practice right now, hopefully this video will make you feel really good and confident because it should just confirm everything that you know and that you are doing. If you are a special ed teacher, on the other hand, you're really going to want to pore over this because you won't have that kind of course information from your college courses usually. So then if we keep going down, you're going to see that there are slide decks with voiceovers for each of the domains, and included in each of these will be examples for instructional strategies and practices, activities that you can use and write about in your case study. Let me take you to one for an example here. If I click on domain 2, you can see here that here is a video, and I can maximize that so I can see it on my whole screen here. I can then just click escape and it'll take me back to that. If I want to navigate through any of those any of the categories or videos or anything, I can do that here as well. If I scroll down a little bit, you're going to see here that I will put anything that you should download and print. And each of these domains will have a worksheet where you are encouraged to print them out and take notes as you go through. This is just a great multi-sensory activity for you. The more you write something, the more you're going to remember it. So take advantage of that. And then if there are any links or messages I need to give to you in the section, you'll see it here. And so you're going to notice the first thing I have is when people let me know that there's a correction that needs to be made, I'm going to link it here. And so far, this is the only one. Thank you to my friend Michael who found it for me. I misspoke about morphology versus etymology, so I want you to take a look at that. And then also I will have any video links to some amazing teachers on YouTube that basically show these activities and strategies in practice, and you can see what they actually look like. I myself am a very visual learner, and so it helps me a great deal to see something in practice. And all of those things are things that you can then use in your case study as well as the multiple choice. Down below here is any comment. If you would like to post a comment to me, that's one way to get in touch with me. You can also do that through the comments section on the homepage. So either one of those is fine. So I'm going to take you back to the main page. And you can see here we did the fundamentals. Now in the case study, you're going to see that, let's go to the introduction page here. Again, you can maneuver through the case study here. There's a video with slide deck. This one's just a quick little intro video for myself and a little bit of information, and we will have that available to you as well. Let me see. If I go into the structure and plan, this will be the basically the slide deck that will have all of the information. There's a worksheet here, and then I have additional, go back one more, the samples and templates, and you can see here that we've got some templates and some PDFs that you can download as well. Okay, going back. So all of this information is here for you. When you purchase, you will have access to this for 1 year. And the only reason I have the time limit on it is because I didn't want to bog down the site with people that had already passed the course. I wanted to keep it with people that if I needed to get in touch with you, I wasn't flooding your emails for people that had already passed. So I've also added this things I've forgotten section. There's nothing in it yet, but as people let me know, I will add anything here in addition. There's a wrap up, and then I will be adding some additional resources there for you as well. Okay, so I hope this answers some of your questions about what you will get. I think it's a very comprehensive site. It is new, and so I will be adding to it as we go. Again, if you have any questions, you can also comment to me here on YouTube, but I hope that gets you started. And take a look and let me know what you think. I'd love your feedback either way. It's very helpful to me. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day, and until next time, bye-bye now.